Do you ever need a place to rest and relax while on campus? Well, Butler's Counseling and Consultation Services has the answer.
The new UNWIND room, located in room 119 of the Health and Recreation Center, was unveiled on September 14th. The space holds massage chairs, essential oil diffusers, and coloring books, just to name a few of the activities and resources available to students. Emily Betts and her friends were some of the first to check out the room. After spending some time in the space, the group made sure to get a slice or two of the catered treats before they left.
I came out today with my roommates. We just wanted to really kind of like reach out and see what this place was all about. And then of course we heard about like the free stuff online. So that always brings in, I feel like, a big crowd with college kids.
Not only was there free pizza, but there was also a coloring contest to win a Butler bookstore gift card. Students and staff even got the chance to hang out with CCS therapy dogs, Bella and Scooter. Amidst the excitement, CCS Associate Director Shayna Markle says she is just excited to give students a little peace on an otherwise busy campus.
My hope is that it's not a homework room or a study room, that it truly is just a place to come. We named it Unwind. We just to come disconnect and unwind. And it doesn't matter if someone does that alone or they do it with a person or two, that just whatever feels good to them.
The Unwind room is now available to reserve on Butler's website. Students can sign up for slots Monday through Friday from 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. For the Butler Collegian, I'm Gabi Morando.